All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. This is upper body maintenance day. My left side's pretty useless right now, so we're just going to rebuild, rehab, see what the body can tolerate. Try not to lose too much strength while I'm rebuilding this left shoulder and bicep tendon. So I figured it'd be a good time to go back to pronated pull-ups. I had that radial brachialis injury, almost 2 years ago now. It's been a grind, but figure if I'm going back to body weight and just light weighted, then we're going that route so we don't re-injure it, but we start building up that tolerance and strength again in that position. Generally pronated, when I'm healthy, pronated is my best pulling position, better than neutral grip or chin up. For whatever reason, it's just, it's where I feel comfortable. It's where I feel strong. So I did one set of 10 first, then 2 sets of 5 with 25 pounds. After that, I wanted to get a little bit more volume, but my rear of my left shoulder, where that supraspinatus is, just above my kind of like rear delt area, that was getting sore. So I did just one set of 15 reps pull downs, and then went on to some bench work. So a couple warm-up sets and worked up to just 60-pound dumbbells for a set of 12. Didn't really like how these felt on the shoulder. Down at the bottom position, I was definitely getting a bit of pain in the shoulder, but it was tolerable. So we'll see how it goes over the next couple weeks here. I only did one set of these, and then I went to push-ups, deficit push-ups with a weighted vest with my feet elevated. So that'll be coming up next with the 55-pound weight vest on. So what I'm going to be doing on upper body days, I'll probably just post one per week. And I mean, if nobody watches, that's fine. I'm just trying to track sort of how I feel, what I'm doing, any progress or regression that I'm making. Just a workout diary basically for me. Right, so here we're doing the feet elevated push-ups. I got the blocks so I can get into a nice deficit there. Close grip, making the triceps work hard. Definitely felt this in my shoulder, but it felt better than the dumbbell presses. Just have to, there's not as much stabilization going on here as there is with the dumbbells. So last session I did 2 sets of 10. This one I bumped it up to 2 sets of 11, so we'll keep building off that. Then on to some seated cable rows. Worked up to a top set, 210 pounds for 10 reps. The reps felt easy, but I was really feeling that in the back of my shoulders, so that's why I didn't continue on doing more reps. So again, same thing. We'll try to build off that. Then on to tricep press downs. 45 pounds for sets, couple sets of 25 reps there. Definitely be looking to just increase the weight and decrease the reps over the next few weeks. After that, bicep curls, 85 pounds for 2 sets of 10. These didn't feel awesome on the bicep tendon, but I want to just, the next day the bicep tendon felt okay doing them. It did not feel good, but I want to start working these biceps, see if I can build these, get them stronger. Been kind of trying to avoid doing too much bicep work to let that bicep tendon heal, but I think I just got to work through it, make that bicep tendon work, but not overwork it. So next upper body session, I think instead of doing easy bar curls, I'll just do some light high rep cable curls, and then I'll cycle back I'll do that 2 sessions a week for biceps. Probably one will be the easy bar curls, and the other will be just light on the machine. After that, doing some Cuban presses. So on the bench, doing like an overhead press, but doing that on the incline bench. So making the backs of the shoulders, upper back and backs of the shoulders, just work to try to push in that same plane. You could see the left arm was slowly dropping there. And then went into some Y raises. So Y raises out to the side and then went straight up overhead. So goal here is just to strengthen the bigger muscles in my upper back and shoulder, right around that supraspinatus area. I'm doing rehab work specifically for the supraspinatus as well. All the internal, external rotations, but just got to work up all those muscles around that rear delt, teres major, teres minor, Be working on face pulls to hit those scap muscles, and yeah, just getting everything from rear delt to rear delt across that upper back working. Can't go crazy with any heavy high rows right now, so just lots of lightweight work. Here doing face pulls, I really butchered this shot, so just show a couple of these, but throwing face pulls back in the mix, we're going to do those multiple times a week, and then finished up with some rear delt flies on the cable machine. Overall, my shoulder, it survived the workout, but it was definitely sore the next day. I had low bar squats the next day, and I was having trouble getting my shoulder on the left side moving enough to get the bar in position and feel comfortable. But just keep working, build the tolerance. I don't feel like I set myself back, so we'll keep pushing. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.